guys, I'm Oliver, and what we have here is a 10-inch Knapp Monarch fan from either the late 60s or the early 70s. This fan has 2 speeds and it oscillates. So, I found this fan at my local antique mall and I saw that it was in great condition. So I brought it up to the desk and tested it, and it was in great working condition as well. The oscillator oscillated perfectly, like it didn't really skip or anything, and the fan ran like new. And also the fan was a great price, so I had to buy it. Alright, so now I'll turn the fan on for you guys. The first speed is high speed. That fan can really put out a good breeze. Oh wow, on the camera when it oscillates that way, it gives it a weird illusion of blades. Alright, here's low speed. Sometimes the switch is tricky to turn. It's really quiet. There is this weird sound it makes sometimes. Doesn't do it all the time, but it's kind of like a clicky sound, a vibration, or a shaky sound, something like that. But yeah. Alright, now I'll show you guys a spin down time. And there you have it. So that was my late 60s or early 70s Knapp Monarch fan. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.